Hello students, today we are going to discuss next group number 16, oxygen family. Now the elements which are present in group 16 are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. This group is also known as chalcogens. Next is occurrence. Now oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth crust. Now first oxygen is prepared in 1772 by Carl Skelly, and he prepared oxygen by heating mercuric oxide. So Carl Skelly was the first to prepare oxygen by heating mercuric oxide in 1772. Isotopes of oxygen. Now there are three isotopes of oxygen: O816, O817, O818, and these are the percentage in which these isotopes are present. O816 99.76%, O817 0.037%, O818 0.204%. Next is allotropes of oxygen. There are two allotropes of oxygen: dioxygen O2 and ozone O3. Now the sulfur present in the earth crust is only 0.032 to 0.1%, and traces of sulfur occur as hydrogen sulfides in volcanoes. Organic materials such as eggs, proteins, garlic, onion, mustard, hair and wood contains sulfur. Selenium and tellurium are also found as metal selenides and tellurides in sulfite ore. Polonium occur in nature as decay product of thorium and uranium minerals. These are the occurrence. Next is periodic properties. First is electronic configuration. Now there are 6 electrons present in the outermost shell of group 16 elements and have configuration ns2 np4. Next, atomic and ionic radius. Now as we move from top to bottom, atomic number increases, so there is increase in the number of shell, and as the number of shell increases, atomic and ionic radii increases from top to bottom. But size of oxygen atom is exceptionally small, and the reason behind this is electronegativity of oxygen. So because of electronegativity, size of oxygen atom is small. Next is ionization enthalpy. Now ionization energy decreases down the group, and this is due to increase in size. However, the elements of this group have lower ionization energy values as compared to group 15, and this is due to the reason that group 15 elements have extra stable half-filled p orbital electronic configuration. Next is electron gain enthalpy. Now oxygen atom has compact nature, so that's why it has less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur. Now sulfur onward, the value again become less negative up to polonium. Next is electronegativity. Next to fluorine, oxygen is the highest electronegativity value amongst the element. Now within the group, electronegativity decreases with increase in atomic number. This implies that metallic character increases from oxygen to polonium. So these are the periodic properties. Next is the physical properties. Physical properties. Number 1, oxygen and sulfur are non-metals, selenium, tellurium metalloids, and polonium is a metal, and it is a radioactive, short-lived with half-life 13.8 days. Next point is all these elements exhibit, जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं इस ग्रुप में इन सभी के एलोट्रॉप्स प्रेजेंट हैं. नेक्स्ट थर्ड इज द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट। मेल्टिंग पॉइंट और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट जो है वो इंक्रीज करता है विद इंक्रीज इन एटॉमिक नंबर डाउन द ग्रुप, बट देयर इज लार्ज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड सल्फर। ऑक्सीजन और सल्फर के बीच में मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है, एंड दिस कैन बी एक्सप्लेन्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एटॉमिसिटी, because oxygen exists as O2 diatomic molecule and sulfur exists as polyatomic molecule S8. So because of their atomicity there is large melting and boiling point between oxygen and sulfur. Next important point is oxygen is gas but sulfur is solid because of presence of p-pi bond. In oxygen there is p-pi bond, so that's why O2 is gas, but sulfur cannot form p-pi bond, so it exists as solid. Next is oxidation state and trends in chemical reactivity. Now the elements of group 16 exhibit a number of oxidation state, and stability of -2 oxidation state decreases down the group, and polonium hardly show -2 oxidation state. Now electronegativity of oxygen is very high, so it show only negative oxidation state as -2, except in case of OF2. In OF2 oxygen has oxidation state +2 because fluorine is most electronegative element with -1 oxidation state. Now other elements of group exhibit +2, +4, +6 oxidation state, and +4, +6 are the most common. Sulfur, selenium and tellurium show +4 oxidation state in their compounds with oxygen. Oxygen के साथ सल्फर, सेलेनियम और टेल्यूरियम +4 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट शो करते हैं, और फ्लोरीन के साथ +6 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट। और +6 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट डाउन द ग्रुप डिक्रीज होती है और +4 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इंक्रीज करती है, एंड द रीजन इज इनर्ट पेयर इफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज अनोमलस बिहेवियर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. Now the first point is oxygen is a gas whereas other members are solid. ऑक्सीजन डायटॉमिक है, अदर मेंबर्स ऑक्टाटॉमिक हैं. हाइड्राइड्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन जो है लेस वाटर दैट शो इंटरमॉलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग वेयरएस इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन H2S, H2SC एटसेट्रा. ऑक्सीजन हैज़ नो वेकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल, सो दैट्स वाई वो अपनी +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट से ज़्यादा नहीं शो करता, वेयरएस अदर मेंबर्स कैन शो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट अप टू +6. ऑक्सीजन p-pi बॉन्ड बनाता है बट अदर मेंबर्स डू नॉट फॉर्म दिस बॉन्ड. कंपाउंड्स जो ऑक्सीजन के वो जनरली आयोनिक हैं, वेयरएस अदर मेंबर्स आर जनरली कोवेलेंट. और वाटर लिक्विड है, बाकी जितने भी हाइड्राइड्स हैं H2S, H2SC दीज आर गैसेस. नेक्स्ट इज केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. फर्स्ट इज रिएक्टिविटी विद हाइड्रोजन. नाउ ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ग्रुप 16 दैट फॉर्म हाइड्राइड्स ऑफ द टाइप H2E, where E is the element of this group. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Now acidic character increases from H2O to H2TE, and एसिडिक करेक्टर क्यों इंक्रीज कर रहा है? वो इसलिए क्योंकि बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन इंथैल्पी डाउन द ग्रुप जो है वो डिक्रीज हो रही है, सो दैट्स व्हाई एसिडिक करेक्टर इंक्रीजेस. और थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी जो हाइड्राइड्स की है वो डिक्रीज कर रही है फ्रॉम H2O टू H2PO, वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि डिसोसिएशन बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन इंथैल्पी डाउन द ग्रुप डिक्रीज हो रही है. जितने भी हाइड्राइड्स हैं वाटर को छोड़कर सभी रिड्यूसिंग प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हैं, और ये करैक्टर बढ़ जाता है फ्रॉम H2S टू H2TE. नेक्स्ट इज रिएक्टिविटी विद ऑक्सीजन. Now elements of group 16 form oxides of the type EO2 and EO3 types. Oxygen and sulfur dioxide are gases while selenium dioxide is solid. Now reducing property of dioxide decreases from SO2 to TeO2. SO2 is reducing while TeO2 is oxidizing agent. And the reason behind this is because sulfur has d orbital, so it can easily expand its oxidation state from +4 to +6. But tellurium is heavier element, and due to inert pair effect, it cannot show +6 oxidation state. It can easily show +4 oxidation state. So that's why TeO2 is an oxidizing agent. Next is reactivity towards halogen. Elements of group 16 form a large number of halides of the type EX6, EX4, EX2, where X is halogen and E is the element of group 16. Now stability of halides decreases in the order F negative, then Cl negative, greater than Br negative, greater than I negative. And amongst hexahalide, hexafluorides are the only stable halides. All hexafluorides are gaseous in nature and have octahedral structure. Amongst tetrafluoride, SF4 is gas, SeF4 is liquid and TeF4 is solid. And these fluorides have sp3d hybridization and have trigonal bipyramidal structure. Now all elements except selenium form dichlorides and dibromides. Now this is reactivity towards halogen. This is all about today's session. Thank you.